ranking order like these icons, and later on we'll create this UI for this order place like this title and this date. Okay, so in that is which is in the row form, and this will be placed in this above column widget. Okay, so that's why what we can write here is column, and let here be children. And after this, what we can do here is we have to create this container and this like vertical line also. Okay, so let us have in the children what we can have is container, and in the decoration box decoration and color and this icon is changed to green color if the this status is completed. Okay, so based on this what we can write is steps, sorry, step dot is completed, and if it is completed then based on this common color, if the step is completed then it will be C green color, else common color dot C gray color. Okay, so after this what we can do is, and the shape of this container will be circle, so shape box shape dot circle. Okay, and I think after this what we have in the child, sorry, in the child what we can write child, and in the child there will be icon, so step dot icon, so this is because of step model. Okay, so step dot icon, and also same for here. Okay, and I think in the color same we can pass this. Okay, color, yeah. After this all what we can write is, let me just, so let me do this one thing, and this container is data UI is finished, and vertical line if the last is like here you can see. Okay, let me just remove all of this. I think we can erase this. Okay, so yeah, here you can see in the between this shift and deliver there is no vertical line, but and if the shift is between the this both like what is called status, there is vertical line. Okay, of green color. So here what we can write is, if it is not last. Okay, step dot is, it is not last, then sorry, here we can have container, and height will be 40 and width will be uh, 2. Okay, so then color will be, if step dot is, I think for this we can also have same color. Okay, okay, let me just remove this. Yeah, same. Okay, then after this we have completed the UI for this icons. Now let us have the UI for this order place and this title. Okay, sorry, title and date. So this column is finished. Now let us have another column, children and sorry, and in the children what we have is build, sorry, build text, sorry, build text, and sorry, here we can write step dot title, and in the theme d dot body medium. Okay, I think in here also if it is finished then color, let me just do one thing, step dot is completed. Okay, so we can have here also, and not green color, see blue color, if else see black color. Okay, this seems right. Okay, then again after this we have this date also. Okay, and step dot title date. So now in here we don't need this. Okay, so let us have this. Okay, then let us view UI if anything else have been changed. Okay, I think in the UI also we need to call this, sorry, we need to call this widget. Okay, that is function in above. So what we can do is, let me just view it, state icon container we don't need here, order details. After the order details we have this order status here. After the order status list, let us have this list view dot builder. Okay, and context comma index, and in the item count what we have is this order status model. Okay, order status model and this data. So the order status, so let us import this order status dot order, what is it, sorry, not order status, it was order status model. Okay, and order status model dot order status, let me view it, order status model, so order status model dot length, and we can copy same code. Okay, so copy the same code and write here final data is equal to, and we have to refer to the index of this product model. Okay, so now in here we have return. So in the return what we can have is a build step. but in here we cannot pass the, let me show you, we cannot pass the data. Okay, so here it is shown argument type order status cannot be assigned to parameter type step model. Okay, so we have to create the instance of like step model. Final step is equal to step, sorry, step, and what was it, model. So here we have it. Okay, so yeah, is it. Now in here we have passed data, sorry, data dot title in the data dot date time to string, and in here data dot icon, and in here we haven't we don't have this is completed in the steps. I think order status model we don't have this is completed. Okay, so for this what we can have is, since we have this current index currently at 0. Okay, so let me show you one thing. What we can have here is everything. So here we have bool, we can write is completed is equal to, and current index, the current index will be referred, and if it is less than and equal to current index, it will be current is completed, it will look on it. And same for is current, that is it will look on current position of index. Okay, and index is equal to current index. Okay, then so after this is current, and in the last is last, it checks whether the status is in the sorry, the index has been reached to the last stage or not. So for this what we can write is, and index is equal to whether order, so what was it, let me show. Yeah, we can copy simply this length. Okay, status dot length minus 1 until the last index, and so after this we can pass step. Okay, so let me just reload the application, let us view the UI. Okay, so it is not shown because I think we have to pass here string graph to only take the available space, sorry, the space that is needed. So let me, I think, restart the application. So icon button, checkout, and checkout ordered successfully, and here you can see it is shown. Okay, so since I have currently placed the current index, uh, let me just view the UI. Yeah, if I place this current index 1, so 0 1, it will be completed up to here. Okay, I think it will take, it takes time to show the UI that is being updated. So let me just do one thing here, build steps, and cross axis alignment. Here must be cross axis alignment dot start, and in the column here go, yeah, spacing is 10.0, that is fine. MENT. So reload the application. Let us just go to back screen, track order. Yeah, here you can see the UI has been updated. Okay, so I think the, okay, the icon is not shown because, let me view one thing here, what has been happened. So it's completed colors, sorry, let me, I think we simply have to pass here common color dot c black color. Okay, so let us just pass this. Yeah, this seems nice. And track order. Okay, then after this I think we have to make this slightly larger. Okay, the container. Okay, let me here view it with 50 height, 50. Let us just reload the application. Okay, 50 seems to be too much, let us give it 30, and 30, 30 seems to be right. Yeah, this seems to be right. So here what happens is, like, the current index is given, and after this based on that, in here, yeah, in the completed, the current index is looked on. Okay, so if the index is less than current index, it is completed, it is checked whether it is completed or not. So same as here in the last, so based on the length, it is checked whether the last stage is reached or not. So after this what we can have is, I think, after all what we have done is, so this is the home page, and this is the slider of card, and this is the best sellings, and this is the recommended for you. And if we click on this product, then we will be routed to product detail page. Okay, So here currently there is only static UI. Okay, so we will make it dynamic. So and same here in the this drop down icon button. If we click on here, all the product detail will be shown. And after this, if we click on the see all text, the product will be shown here related to best sellings. Okay, and in the categories, all the categories will be shown. And if we click on this categories, the product related to those categories will be shown here. And in the same as it is. And in here also profile screen, user will be able to change the theme of the application, edit profile, and then payment method. Okay, then user will be able to add the new card. And let me cancel this. Oh, sorry, save it. And after settings, the UI can be made by you. And in the my orders, so here is the tab bar, and this is the product details. Okay, status. And for this logout also same as it is. And if I click on S, I will be routed to login page. Okay, so in the login page we have this. And if we click on sign up, this UI. Again, if we click on this forgot password, send OTP, and then this verify, and then this change password. Okay, so this is the UI we have completed. Now I think in here app bar in the homepage, I think we have to fix this issue. Okay, so let me fix this issue. I think the reason behind this issue might be, let me check it. The issue is due to this. What was it? Yes, since we have used this list style. Okay, so let me just do one thing. I think we can do it. Title column children. So let me reload the application. Okay, then cross axis alignment dot start. And in here, I think instead of this, we can have this build text. Let me see, where was it? Build slider. And let me, I think without this, yeah, this seems to be correct. Okay, let us just remove this. And let us also remove this. Okay, here we can write welcome. I think we can write here body small, and here we can have confused student and body medium. Let us reload the application. Yeah, this seems to be right. And I think let us in the let us place this image. Okay, so I think let me give all the path of this image. Okay, and here where was it? Let me close all of this, close all and images, and I think order complete product images. Okay, we have completed the image path. Okay, so here we have given all the image path. And now after this, what we can do is go to home page. Where is it? Yeah, home page. And in the welcome circle avatar, not this background color. Here we have common, sorry, background image, asset image, and common image dot I profile. Okay, so after this, what we have, let me just reload the application. Okay, so this seems fine. Now